Good morning, class 12, accountancy. The name of the chapter is accounting ratio. As you know, in my previous video, I started the topic how to calculate trade receivable turnover ratio. I am doing sum number 64. Total revenue. TR here is total revenue is 4 lakh. CR cash revenue 25% of credit revenue. जो कैश रेवेन्यू है वो क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू का 25% है. क्लोजिंग ट्रेड रिसीवेबल आर 1 लाख. एक्सेस ऑफ क्लोजिंग ट्रेड रिसीवेबल ओवर ओपनिंग इज 40,000. क्लोजिंग ट्रेड रिसीवेबल ओपनिंग ट्रेड रिसीवेबल से 40,000 रुपये ज़्यादा है. कैलकुलेट ट्रेड रिसीवेबल टर्नओवर रेशियो. Yesterday we discussed the formula net credit revenue from operation. Net credit revenue from operation divided by average trade receivable. Average trade receivable. So first of all we need net credit revenue, but we have given total revenue. So total revenue is equal to cash revenue plus credit revenue. I think agree. Now total revenue is given how much? 4 lakh. Cash revenue is कितना है? 25% of credit. और credit revenue हमारे पास है नहीं. तो the things which is not given let us assume X. Cash revenue जो है credit revenue का 25% है. और हमारे पास credit revenue है नहीं, तो हमने इसको कितना assume कर लिया? X. ये कितना है? 25 into X upon 100. ये हो गया dear 5X upon 4 is equal to 4 lakh. तो सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो ये x की वैल्यू सर कितनी आ जाएगी? 3,20,000. और हमने x क्या एज्यूम किया था? क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू. तो ये हमारा एक चीज तो सर आ गई, क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू इज 3,20,000. नाउ वी नीड एवरेज ट्रेड रिसीवेबल. फॉर एवरेज ट्रेड रिसीवेबल वी हैव गिवन क्लोजिंग ट्रेड रिसीवेबल 1 लाख. और क्लोजिंग जो है ओपनिंग से 40,000 रुपए ज्यादा है. ये ओपनिंग से 40,000 ज्यादा है. इसका मतलब क्लोजिंग अगर 1 लाख है, ओपनिंग ट्रेड रिसीवेबल कितने होंगे डियर? 60,000 रुपए होंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन रीड दिस इंफॉर्मेशन अगेन. तो लेट अस फाइंड द एवरेज नाउ. 1 लाख प्लस 60, 160 डिवाइड बाय 2, 80,000. तो डिवाइड बाय 80,000, इट मींस 4 टाइम्स. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? एक साल में 4 बार हम उधार माल बेच देते हैं और पैसा की रिकवरी हो जाती है. Now we will do sum number 66. This is sum number 66. We have given credit revenue 17,52,000. Trade receivable turnover ratio 6 times. Opening trade receivable 284. We have to find closing trade receivable निकालने हैं सर. So we will be writing this formula again. Same formula. Trade receivable turnover ratio. Trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to net credit revenue. It is given with us 7,52,000. 7,52,000 divided by, we need average trade receivable not given in the sum. So let us write as it is. Average trade receivable is equal to 6 times. That is trade receivable turnover ratio. Cross multiply dear friends. So here it comes, average trade receivable is equal to 6 2s are 12, 5, 6 9s are 6 2s are 2,92,000. 2,92,000 is our average trade receivable. We know the formula for average trade receivable. It is opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2 is equal to 2,92,000. I think sum is easy now. Opening trade receivable value is given 284. Put it here 284 plus it is as it is divided by 2 is equal to this. Cross multiply and find the value of closing trade receivable. Let us go for another sum here. We are in progress of the topic trade receivable turnover ratio. I have done 2 sums today. Now I will take sum number 67. I will take sum number 67 which is given credit revenue. Credit revenue is 5,40,000 and trade receivable turnover ratio is 9 times. And then sum is asking calculate opening and closing trade receivable if closing trade receivable are more by 8,000 than opening. These information are given to you dear. Credit revenue, trade receivable turnover ratio, opening and closing we have to find. If closing trade receivable are 8,000 more than opening, same formula dear. Trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to 9 times. What is the numerator part? Credit revenue. What is credit revenue? 5,40,000 divided by what is not given to us? Average trade receivable. Dear, cross multiply. So here it will come average trade receivable is equal to 60,000. Agree or not? Now formula for average trade receivable: opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2 is equal to 60. Now some says that closing trade receivable are 8,000 more than opening. क्लोजिंग जो है वो ओपनिंग से 8,000 रुपए ज्यादा है, तो ओपनिंग कितने हैं नहीं दिए हुए, तो ओपनिंग को कितना एज्यूम कर लेंगे x प्लस क्लोजिंग कितना है सर 8,000 रुपए ज्यादा, x प्लस 8,000, तो x प्लस 8,000 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 60 एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x। तो जो x का आंसर फिगर आएगा यहाँ पर वो हमारे लिए क्या होगा, that will be opening trade receivable, and whatever figure comes add 60,000, that will be closing trade receivable. So this was sum number 67. Let us go for another sum here. Now we will go for the sum number 69. We will be doing sum number 69. Again the sum is asking calculate sum number 69, calculate opening trade receivable, closing trade receivable. Sum is saying trade receivable turnover ratio 4 times. Then you have given cost of revenue. Cost of revenue is 6,40,000. GP 20%, and then it is given closing trade receivable are 20,000 more than opening, and some say that cash revenue is 33 integers 1/3 percentage of credit revenue. Let us see sir. Sum is very easy, only little bit changes are given in the sum. So first of all trade receivable turnover ratio 4 times. So let us apply the formula. Trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to, what do we need in numerator? Credit revenue from operation. So here credit revenue is not given, neither total revenue is given, but what is given to us? We have given these two information, cost of revenue and GP. Recall your memory. We know that cost of revenue from operation is equal to revenue from operation minus GP. Do you remember this one? What is cost of revenue? 6,40,000 rupees is equal to revenue from operation is not given in the sum. It means we want to calculate it. What is GP? 20%. Now it is not written 20% of what? If you remember, I told earlier also, जब यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं दिया हुआ है तो this 20% will be considered on या of revenue from operation. हमेशा यही assume किया जाएगा. And revenue from operation is not given to us. So let us assume x minus 20 into x upon 100. So my dear, it comes x minus x upon 5, that is 4x upon 5 is equal to 6,40,000. So what is x, my dear? It will be 8 lakh. What will be x? 8 lakh rupees. And what is x? We assumed revenue from operation. Revenue from operation. So revenue from operation, it means it is total revenue. As we know, revenue from operation is equal to cash revenue plus credit revenue. Cash revenue plus credit revenue, right? Revenue from operation is how much? 8 lakh is equal to. Now what is given? Cash revenue is 33 integers 1/3 1/3 percentage of credit revenue. It means cash revenue is 1/3 of credit revenue. मान सकते हो ना, ये जो है 33 इंटीजर्स 1/3, ये 100 का कौन सा पार्ट है? 1/3. तो कैश रेवेन्यू इज 1/3 ऑफ क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू. जो कैश रेवेन्यू है वो क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू का 1/3 है. हमारे पास में तो यहाँ पर कैश है नहीं, यहाँ पर क्रेडिट है. तो मैं तो बार बार बताता हूँ आपको, जो चीज नहीं दे रखी है उसको एज्यूम कर लो. क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू इज नॉट गिवन टू अस, तो लेट अस एज्यूम x, राइट. हाउ मच कैश रेवेन्यू? 1/3 ऑफ क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू. तो 1/3 ऑफ x into 1/3. तो x upon 3 plus x is equal to 4x upon 3 is equal to 8 lakh. तो x is equal to 6 lakh. What will come, sir? X is equal to 6 lakh. And what is x here? Credit revenue. So here, as per formula, trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to, we need credit revenue. So here credit revenue has come 6 lakh rupees. Divide by average trade receivable. So let us do cross multiplication here. So average trade receivable is equal to 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Now we will apply the formula. What is the formula for average trade receivable? Opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2. And the value of closing trade receivable is 20,000 more than opening. 20,000 रुपए ओपनिंग से ज्यादा है, तो ओपनिंग को कितना मान लेंगे? x. क्लोजिंग कितना हो जाएगा? x plus 20. In this way you can do it nicely. So this was another sum for the topic trade receivable turnover ratio. So these were few sums, my dear, which are related with trade receivable turnover ratio. Thank you very much.